Let's dive into a job that's essential, yet often overlooked, the world of sardine processing. This is the first step in a journey that brings a humble fish from the ocean to your plate, and it all starts here, at the heart of the seafood industry. If you enjoy a tin of sardines, you're tasting the result of a process that's as fast-paced as it is fascinating. Each can is packed with flavor, but also with the hard work of countless hands behind the scenes. Before sunrise, fishing boats return to the docks loaded with shimmering sardines. The air is crisp, and the docks are alive with anticipation as the night's catch is brought ashore. The clock starts ticking the moment they arrive. Freshness is everything. Every second counts, and the race begins to get the fish from the boats to the factory as quickly as possible. Sardines, chilled on ice, are rushed from boat to factory floor in a race against time. Workers move with practiced speed, knowing that the quality of the final product depends on their efficiency. Huge cranes and conveyor belts unload thousands of fish into chilled brine tanks. The scale of the operation is staggering, with machines and people working in perfect harmony. This cold brine keeps the fish firm and fresh, preventing spoilage before processing. It's a delicate balance. Too warm and the fish spoil. Too cold and they freeze. The scale is immense. Tons of sardines, each beginning its journey through the factory. Every fish is handled with care, as even the smallest mistake can affect the entire batch. The reception area is a wet, noisy, organized chaos, with workers moving quickly and purposefully. There's a rhythm to the madness, a choreography that only experience can teach. Water sloshes everywhere, machinery hums, and the team's efficiency is impressive. Every movement is calculated, every task essential to keeping the process flowing smoothly. It's a tough, dirty job, but it's the foundation of the entire canning operation. These workers are the unsung heroes, braving cold, wet conditions to ensure only the best fish make it through. If the fish aren't handled right from the start, nothing else matters. Quality control begins here, with sharp eyes and skilled hands inspecting every load. The ice, the brine, the speed. Every detail ensures the sardines are in pristine condition. It's a blend of tradition and technology, where old-school know-how meets modern machinery. This first hurdle is crucial for quality, taste, and safety. Only after passing these rigorous checks do the sardines move on to the next stage, ready to be transformed into the delicious tins we all know and love. Inside the bustling factory, the journey of the sardines continues as they hit the sorting line. Here, the air is filled with the scent of the sea, and the rhythmic hum of machinery sets the pace for the day's work. The conveyor belt moves steadily, carrying thousands of glistening fish toward the waiting hands of skilled workers. Workers dressed in waterproof gear from head to toe stand shoulder to shoulder along the line. Their job is to sort the fish by size and quality, quickly removing any that don't make the cut. Each sardine is inspected with practiced precision, ensuring only the best continue down the line. It's repetitive, slippery work that demands sharp eyes, steady hands, and unwavering focus. The fish are slick and fast-moving, making the task both physically and mentally challenging. Yet, the workers' expertise keeps the process flowing smoothly, even under pressure. Next, the fish are cleaned and trimmed. Sophisticated machines take over, swiftly removing heads, tails, and guts with remarkable speed and accuracy. This automation not only increases efficiency but also ensures consistency in every batch. This step is absolutely vital, not just for taste, but for food safety as well. Every fish must meet strict standards before moving forward, and quality control teams keep a close eye on every detail. High-pressure water jets then wash the fish, blasting away impurities, scales, and any lingering debris. This thorough cleaning is essential for maintaining the freshness and purity of the sardines. The cold water used in this process is more than just a rinse. It helps keep the flesh firm and preserves the delicate flavor of the fish. Chilled baths ensure the sardines remain in peak condition, ready for the next stage. The result is a tray of perfectly clean, uniform sardines, each one gleaming and ready for what comes next. This attention to detail sets the foundation for a high-quality final product. This phase is a masterclass in efficiency and hygiene. Every surface is sanitized, and every worker follows strict protocols to prevent contamination, ensuring the highest standards are met. By carefully removing unwanted parts and washing thoroughly, the factory guarantees that only the best fish move forward. Nothing is left to chance. Every step is monitored and refined for quality. The transformation from sea-fresh fish to can-ready product is now complete. Thanks to the dedication and skill of the workers, each sardine is perfectly prepared for the next chapter in its journey. With the sardines cleaned and prepped, it's time to cook. The fish are arranged on trays and sent through a long steam tunnel. Hot steam cooks them gently and evenly, firming up the flesh. This prevents the fish from falling apart during canning. Steaming also removes excess water and oil, ensuring the right texture and flavor. Operators monitor temperature and conveyor speed for perfect results. The process is finely tuned, enough to cook, but not dry out the fish. Once out of the tunnel, the sardines are cooked, robust, and ready for packing. They cool briefly before heading to the iconic packing line. This quiet, steamy step is the critical link between cleaning and canning. Now for the iconic moment, packing sardines into tins. Rows of empty tins glide along the conveyor, ready to be filled. Skilled packers, often working by hand, arrange the cooked fish neatly inside each can. It's like Tetris with fish, each sardine packed head to tail for a tight, uniform fit. Tight packing prevents breakage and ensures the product looks great on your plate. Some factories use machines to replicate this careful work at high speed. Each can is weighed by an automated check weigher for consistency. Underweight or overweight cans are rejected automatically. This attention to detail guarantees quality and uniformity. Every can is checked to ensure you get exactly what you paid for. It's precision and artistry, all in one step. With sardines packed, it's time to add the liquid, oil, sauce, or brine. Deposit machines dispense precise amounts into each can, ensuring perfect balance. The choice of liquid, olive oil, tomato sauce, brine, or spicy oil defines the product's flavor. Heated liquids help remove trapped air, crucial for a proper seal. This step protects the fish and infuses flavor, keeping them moist during sterilization. The liquid acts as both preservative and flavor enhancer. Over time, the sardines absorb the flavors, sometimes improving with age. The right liquid is the final touch before sealing. It's all about flavor, preservation, and quality. With fish and sauce in place, it's time to seal the tins. Cans move to the seamer, where lids are hermetically sealed in a fraction of a second. The double seam creates an airtight barrier, protecting the food inside. Machines are constantly checked. Any flaw could mean spoilage. Sometimes, a jet of steam creates a vacuum inside the can, further preserving freshness. The concave lid is a sign of a perfect vacuum seal. Automated systems inspect every seam for defects. Any imperfect can is immediately removed from the line. The integrity of the seal is non-negotiable. It's the promise of safety. This step locks in freshness for years to come. Sealed cans head into massive pressure cookers called retorts. Inside, pressurized steam and hot water raise the temperature to over 120 degrees Celsius. This intense heat kills all microorganisms, ensuring commercial sterility. The process is carefully timed and monitored for safety and quality. High pressure prevents cans from buckling during sterilization. After heating, cans are cooled gradually to avoid thermal shock. This controlled cooling protects both the can and its contents. Once cooled, the cans are shelf-stable and safe to eat for years. The sardines are now fully cooked and preserved. They're ready for the final steps before reaching the store. After sterilization, the cans are wet and need drying. They pass through a tunnel where warm air jets dry them quickly. Once dry, cans move to the labeling machine. Labels are applied at high speed, giving each can its brand and information. A printed batch code ensures traceability for food safety. The code links each can back to its production batch. Next, cans are grouped and packed into boxes by automated machines. Boxes are sealed, stacked on pallets and wrapped for shipping. Each pallet holds thousands of cans, ready for distribution. The product is now ready for its journey to stores worldwide. The final stop in the incredible journey of the sardine is the warehouse staging area, a bustling hub where the story of each can take a new turn. Here the atmosphere is charged with anticipation, as the fruits of countless hours of labor and precision are gathered, ready to move on to their next destination. Forklifts weave expertly between towering stacks of pallets, each loaded with thousands of gleaming sardine cans. Every pallet is carefully logged and tracked, ensuring that not a single can is misplaced. The scale of the operation is immense, and the choreography of machines and workers is a testament to modern logistics. In this vast warehouse, millions of cans are stored in neat rows, stretching as far as the eye can see. Each can represents a journey from the ocean through the hands of skilled workers and into the heart of the global food supply chain. The sheer volume is staggering, a silent promise of nourishment for people around the world. Outside, trucks line up at the loading docks, their trailers ready to be filled. Workers load the pallets with practiced efficiency, sending shipments to distribution centers not just across the country, but to distant continents as well. The journey of the sardine is truly global, connecting communities and cultures through a simple, nutritious food. At these distribution centers, shipments are broken down and sorted, destined for individual supermarkets, corner stores, and specialty shops. Each box is checked and accounted for, ensuring that every store receives exactly what it needs to keep shelves stocked and customers satisfied. Behind the scenes, logistics teams work tirelessly to manage inventory, track shipments, and coordinate deliveries. Conveyor belts hum with activity, and digital systems monitor every movement, guaranteeing a steady, reliable supply from the factory floor all the way to your neighborhood store. When the sardines finally arrive at your local store, staff unbox them with care, arranging each can on the shelves so they're easy to find. It's the last step in a long, complex process that began far from here, in the open sea. It's easy to overlook the incredible journey behind each humble tin. As you reach for a can, you're holding the result of a global effort, one that involves fishermen, factory workers, drivers, logistics experts, and store employees, all working together to bring food to your table. From the ocean's depths to the assembly line, dozens of people and sophisticated machines have played a part in transforming a perishable catch into a shelf-stable product. It's a process that relies on teamwork, technology, and a shared commitment to quality. This is a story of industry, science, and hard work, a blend of tradition and innovation that keeps the world fed. Every can is a small marvel, the result of careful planning and relentless dedication. So next time you open a can of sardines, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's been on, and the many hands and minds that made it possible. Behind every meal, there's a story worth savoring. This remarkable process transforms a fleeting catch into safe, nutritious food for millions, ensuring that nothing goes to waste and that quality is never compromised. And with that, after witnessing the journey from sea to shelf, I think I've truly earned a snack. Here's to the people, the process, and the humble sardine, an everyday miracle on your plate.